If you're having issues with logging into your GrubHub Driver account, in today's video, let me show you a couple of solutions that you can try out to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that you can straight away do is clear the app of GrubHub Driver from the recent app list and try to force close the application. Once you do this, try to see if you can now log in. If you still cannot, then make sure you also have a stable internet connection. If you don't, you can try switching from your Wi-Fi to your cellular data as well. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can try out is try to clear the app cache of the GrubHub Driver application. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, as well as tap on clear all data. Now, once you complete this step, try to remove the app again and try to see if you can now log in. If you still cannot log in, the last thing that you can do is try to uninstall the platform from your phone and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should be now fixed. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.